As a family law appellate attorney, I have seen many Court of Appeals decisions overturning the trial court for attorney fees mistakes. Hello, I'm Liisa Speaker of the Speaker Law Firm, and we represent families throughout the state of Michigan when they receive an order they don't like from the family law judge. So why is it that family law judges are making so many mistakes on attorney fees issues? Well, I have a few theories. One big reason that judges are being reversed on attorney fees issues is just because of the availability of appeals by right for attorney's fees. Not only can a party appeal the attorney fee decision that's contained in a judgment of divorce, which is an appeal by right, but they can also appeal by right any order granting or denying attorney's fees in the post-judgment context. And we as family law attorneys know there's a lot of post-judgment litigation in family law cases. Now, not only that, but even though the standard of review for attorney's fees is an abuse of discretion, which you would think is a really hard standard to meet when it comes to the judge's overall decision to grant or deny attorney's fees, judges aren't being reversed because they abused their discretion. They're being reversed because they did not follow the law. So when they don't follow the procedures set forth in court rules or in the case law, it's not going to be a discretionary decision. It's a legal issue, and legal issues are reviewed de novo, which is an easier standard to meet in the appellate courts. Another reason that so many judges' attorney fees decisions are reversed by the appellate courts is because judges just don't like to award attorney fees. Now think about it. Many of our judges on the trial bench did not work in private practice. They worked for the state government, they worked in prosecutor offices, but they didn't have to bill clients for their time and get paid for their time in order to keep the lights on at their office or send their kids to college. That just ties into the overall distaste for attorney's fees, and oftentimes they feel bad for the other side who would have to pay those attorney's fees. This leads them to gloss over a viable attorney fee claim when they really should be considering it. A third reason trial judges are reversed for attorney fee issues is because the judges are just tired of the case by the time the attorney fee issue needs to be decided. So that results in them a lot of times just throwing an arbitrary number on the fee award, or they randomly cut a fee award dramatically. So for instance, if a party can show that they had to spend $60,000 to litigate their divorce case, and then the judge just cuts it to $15,000 without any rationale or explanation, that's going to get the trial judge in trouble. What the trial judge should instead do is look to the Michigan Economics of Law Practice Survey to determine the reasonable number of hours and reasonable hourly rate to apply to this specific case. But the judges take a shortcut cut because they're tired, and that's what gets them in trouble. Here at the Speaker Law Firm, we have worked on a lot of appeals dealing with attorney fees issues, and we've had success. So you don't have to face this issue alone. You know you can come to us for help when you have your next attorney fee issue that you're facing. In addition to that, you can click on the link below, and there's a handy guide for helping you draft your motion for attorney's fees in the trial court.